GW4260X horizontal bandsaw machine is a large-angle cutting machine, popular with high performance and good quality. Machine weight 4.8 tons, length 3.7 meter, width 2.2 meter, height 2.4 meter. Excellence in cutting precision and efficiency, suitable for cutting I-beams and shaped steel. It can be operated using a remote control. Change the cutting angle to 45 degrees. The turntable track is manually fixed to set the cutting angle. Independent hydraulic station. Hydraulic tank 60 liter. 90 degree, round 600, square 750 plus 600 millimeter. Wheel diameter 690 millimeter. Cutting speed 28, 45, 65 meter per minute. Carbide guide. Work better with GW4260X.